All right, we don't want to get too much into Optimus, but every time we see these videos and images of Tesla's robot, we can truly imagine scenarios 10 years out where we got at least one robot around the house doing chores. Now, if we talk about the number of different things it can do, the truth is there's not too many complex tasks at the moment, but we believe in just 3 more years, we're going to be truly stunned by the number of things that Tesla Bot can do as upgrades happen every day instead of once a month or once a year. We think that Elon will pursue this project to the end until the world has billions of these Tesla robots, just like the EVs that got sold. Gen 3 comes out in December, and if you're thinking about the $20,000 price, we don't think that's going to happen. Listen to our analysis of Optimus, and welcome to Tesla Car World. Thanks so much for checking out the video. If Tesla often fails to stay on schedule with its electric vehicles and frequently delays its launch programs, we see that everything related to Optimus is progressing unexpectedly quickly. In Tesla's first quarter 2024 earnings call, Elon stated he believes Optimus will be performing tasks in Tesla factories by the end of this year and could begin selling the robot to external customers by late next year. In fact, at least 50 robots are already deployed in Tesla's factory, with more in production. As Elon projected at the company's investor day in June of this year that Tesla could have over 1,000 or even several thousand robots operating internally by next year. Alongside ramping up production of Optimus version 1 and making improvements to Gen 2, Tesla's releasing a premium version 2, Optimus Gen 3, which Musk said is going to be launched by the end of the year. For those who may not know about the improvements and changes in Optimus Gen 3, yes, it'll feature a new design, a new hand with 22 degrees of freedom, faster movement speed, and a smarter brain, meaning it'll be more autonomous than Gen 2. However, Tesla is always unpredictable, so they might do even more and make it even better. Thus, we'll have a clearer answer on Optimus Gen 3 next month. Recently, though, Elon candidly shared that redesigning Optimus has been one of the toughest parts. Elon wrote on X in a post that Optimus is already doing some tasks in the factory and the scope of its abilities rapidly increasing. The toughest part by far is improving the design of the Optimus for ease of manufacturing and tooling up a complex supply chain so it can be made in significant numbers. First, designing a product requires not just achieving functionality and aesthetics, but also optimizing it for mass production at a reasonable cost. For example, Cybertruck's unique design once caused Tesla significant challenges to resolve and required a lot of effort to make it ready for mass production. So, Gen 3 of Optimus is going to have to design an even more distinctive than the already refined Gen 2, and we think Tesla's done their homework on this. That's why we also think Gen 3 is unlikely to get priced at 20 grand. 100,000 is probably a bit more realistic. As we can all see, the relationship between Elon and Donald Trump has gotten better even more now since Trump was elected this past Tuesday. So we think it's entirely possible that Trump could support Tesla's robot development strategy. An even cooler thought is, what if he started carrying Optimus as a Secret Service agent in the near future? That seems kind of reasonable after the recent assassination attempts, right? No, just kidding. We believe it's still going to take quite some time for Optimus to fully realize its utility, whether it be at a homemaker or in any other role. As Elon also said,
so it can be a teacher, babysit your kids, it can walk your dog, mow your lawn, get the groceries, just be your friend, serve drinks, whatever you can think of, it will do.
Sounds great, right? But clearly, very few of us actually think or truly believe that robots could work in homes, schools, and nursing homes. Would they ever be safe enough? And how human-like should they be? There are so many questions that need answers. Regarding robot safety, we mean it's not going to be like what we see in the movies, a bunch of robots in rebellion, like an iRobot or T2. In reality, Optimus would be more like C-3PO or R2-D2 out of Star Wars, as Elon has repeatedly claimed.
Like, who doesn't want a C-3PO, but a C-3PO plus R2-D2 plus, plus. It would be pretty awesome. I think everyone in the world is going to want one.
Right now, Optimus is only hitting 1/3 of its potential. While it's been able to complete various tasks, these are primarily simple things, whereas customers, we've got higher expectations, especially if we're paying up to 30 grand like Elon talked about. We recognize that most users hope Optimus can do practical tasks like helping out with cooking, safely caring for and teaching young ones, reminding elderly to take their meds on time, and operating most household appliances or just keeping the house clean. Only by meeting those needs can Optimus truly become a successful household assistant, going far beyond the role of just a display item. In recent update videos from Tesla, Optimus has been shown doing basic tasks like watering plants, picking up packages, cleaning the kitchen, and carrying items from the car trunk to the house. Tesla presents Optimus as a companion designed to safely assist with a variety of household tasks, from caring for kids to supporting elderly individuals. Right now, Optimus can engage in natural conversations, providing companionship for the elderly and answering questions from kiddos. These features highlight Optimus's potential to integrate into everyday life, demonstrating that it is far more than just a purposeless machine. In addition to questions about the number of tasks, the majority of people are more concerned about how safely Optimus can do those tasks. For example, how can the robot disinfect its hands while performing tasks, like taking out the trash and then making a sandwich? We can wash our hands, but can the robot wash its hands too? This is a difficult question for us because we're not Tesla bot engineers. However, what we do know is that Optimus has a truly special set of hands, so much that they're considered the best robot hands out there. We don't mean that Optimus's hands have 22 degrees of freedom compared to the 27 degrees of human hands, but rather the way that Tesla designed their hands. Musk mentioned that the hands are operated by tendons, just like our own hands. Tesla's incorporated lesser moving parts that could be prone to damage from water. The hands are also made from materials that are easy to clean with water and soap and may even have inherent antibacterial properties. Therefore, we believe there's going to be a solution, and let's not forget, Optimus's hands are confirmed to account for half of its technical effort. A humanoid robot wouldn't be that useful if you had to program everything it did, meaning that when you buy the Optimus, you got to train it from scratch, which can take lots of time, yeah? AI models need lots of data to train, but Tesla Bot doesn't need to do this. If you show the robot enough examples, it can do the tasks it has not yet been explicitly taught. As Elon stated, you just need to show it a video, and then it'll actually do the task.
It can watch a video of something like a person and then learn just by looking at that video and do that task.
According to Elon's vision, you only need to provide simple instructions to the Tesla bot or show it what to do or even tell it what's required, and it figures things out autonomously. One of the Optimus's standout features is its ability to understand human body language. Like it can tell human intent through gestures, like when someone points or signals, which helps optimize interactions without the need to actually talk to it, especially for those of us who have difficulty speaking. You can still use gestures to make requests to the Tesla bot. Recent breakthroughs in AI have allowed robots to hit incredible capabilities these last few years. Creative AI is truly the key to what we can make a robot do, especially when it comes to humanoid robots. Robots are where AI meets the real world, kind of like using ChatGPT. It gives you a recipe but doesn't cook the meal for you. You still got to go in the kitchen yourself. However, that's a different story with Optimus. Elon emphasized that the difference between Optimus and other humanoid robots we've seen lies in the brain, the AI that controls these robots. Tesla's one of the leaders in practical artificial intelligence, having built a brain capable of controlling a car, basically a robot on a wheel. And now we're transferring that technology into a robot with legs.
You need to be the best in real-world AI, and Tesla's the best in real-world AI.
With fully autonomous driving and neural networks, it makes perfect sense to transfer that technology into a humanoid form. And of course, it's designed to be user-friendly, navigate a world built for humans, and eliminate dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks. When you want to push AI to the cutting edge of tech, you need to collaborate with Microsoft, NVIDIA, Google, or one of the other big tech giants. There's no other way. These AI-focused companies just have resources that no one else does, not even the government. NVIDIA has been a great partner up to this point, which is why Tesla's used their chips for their supercomputers. Now Elon's confident that Tesla has a robot brain that the competition can't catch up with. Those interested in owning Optimus at home will have to wait until 2026 when mass production is expected to begin. In addition to the wait time, potential buyers need to spend up to $30,000 to buy this robot, with a price depending on the specific version. Elon also said that the price range might seem a bit high, but it's expected to go down over time, making the robot more affordable to a wider audience down the road. Initially, there were speculations that the Optimus robot would be specifically designed for use in Tesla's manufacturing factories. However, Elon clarified on the X platform that Tesla plans to produce a limited number of robots for internal use within the company starting next year.
But I think like next year, My prediction is next year we'll have over 1,000, maybe a few thousand Optimus robots working at Tesla.
Now, when we talk about the future of manufacturing, it's almost certain it's going to be robots. Lots and lots of robots. Automation is essential for the sustainable future. There's no other way. And Elon knows this too, which is why he's been so passionate about the idea about machines that make machines for many years. Tesla's gigafactories already have numerous robots and automated machinery, from giant robotic arms to the gigapress, stamping lines, and paint shops. However, the limitation of this machinery is that they're all stationary and only specialize in doing one thing. A fully automated production line would be hard to achieve with machines that can only do one job. To truly optimize automation, versatile mobile robots are needed, and that's exactly what Elon's building. This is not a kept secret. It is being presented out in the open. In Tesla's latest demo video of Optimus, the robot navigated through an automated workspace where numerous workers and machines were operating. The ability for the robot to move in an area it had never been before is pretty impressive. Similar to when we go somewhere new, it might take some time to figure out which direction to go, and sometimes we might even get lost. In a big factory like Giga Texas that has many production areas, moving around may sometimes require checking a map or following directions. However, Optimus clearly doesn't need that, as it can autonomously make a map of its own environment, analyze machinery, people, and regional data, which then becomes accessible to guide its actions. This is how it operates within Tesla's factories. Right now, in the manufacturing industry, we're short about 300,000 workers, and a similar shortage is happening in warehousing and logistics, with around 600 to 700,000 unfilled jobs. So the idea of robots, that's not new, but why is there suddenly such a huge focus on them? The main driving force is that AI today has gotten way better.
Optimus, I think, is a 25, literally $25 trillion market cap situation. So.
Elon's made bold predictions that Tesla's robot Optimus could propel the company's market value to $25 trillion, and it will account for the majority of Tesla's long-term value, with demand potentially reaching up to 20 billion units. Tesla could become the largest robotics company in the world. Musk is not the only one who believes humanoid robots could change things. Investors right now are pouring millions of dollars into startups. The market's expected to hit $38 billion next decade, which is why every month or so, we're seeing new robotics companies getting launched. Okay, so it's not just about better technology. The big difference with Tesla Bot lies in the scale of production. Elon said that Tesla's designed all the components of the current Optimus model in-house. All the actuators and robot hardware, that gets designed by Tesla's motor engineers. The electronics and batteries, they're also designed by Tesla, which is why Tesla can scale up so quickly, because they don't have to rely on anyone else. That's also why Elon's so confident in the low price of Optimus compared to the average market cost, with Elon mentioning the cost of making each robot about 10 grand. Tesla's made progress with Optimus. If development continues like this, everyone could own one, like R2-D2 or our own C-3PO. Optimus can help out with teaching, childcare, dog walking, lawn mowing, or just being a companion. The price is going to gradually go down, and everyone's going to be able to own the products and services they want. We saw these robots outside, walking among the regular, ordinary folks at the We Robot event. And although they may have been remotely controlled or intervened with, it's clear that they're pretty impressive given the short development time. The development of Optimus represents a significant leap in the field of manufacturing automation, but Elon also recognizes the challenges of mass production on a large scale if the Gen 3 design gets too complex. Of course, Tesla's not going to want to repeat the mishaps experienced with Cybertruck. So in our opinion, Elon's ultimate goal is to create a fully automated production line where robots can assemble and produce the next versions of themselves. Now that does sound a bit crazy and far-fetched, but this could happen quite quickly if Tesla invests in their robots, judging by the speed we're seeing by the end of this year. This not only holds great potential for manufacturing development, but also opens up a future with a rich and diverse robot workforce. As Elon confirmed earlier, before Optimus units are available for widespread sale, Tesla will be able to rent them out, allowing customers to test out the technology and giving Tesla the opportunity to gather real-world data. We expect it to be about $200 a month. That's more accessible, yeah? This rental model not only helps Tesla test the robot capabilities in various situations, but also gives the company control over how customers use Optimus. Since Optimus is a powerful AI product and more difficult to control than we might think, Tesla needs to ensure absolute safety. Even though it's been optimized, AI always carries inherent risks, especially when the robot can operate with such a high level of autonomy. This highlights the importance of setting regulations to ensure Optimus is deployed safely and effectively. Moreover, the introduction of these regulations is essential as Tesla aims for its bigger goal, making millions of Tesla bots. Elon envisions a world where robots could replace much of the work in massive factories like gigafactories, helping sustain economic growth as the human workforce diminishes. However, to avoid the potential risks of rolling out AI robots on a large scale, Tesla will need to tightly manage the usage process, including user guidelines, access control, and maintenance to prevent any risks. Thus, Tesla's strategy is not just about creating robots for production, but also about building a safe and sustainable robot ecosystem. This reflects Elon's long-term vision for a future where every family, every individual will own an Optimus. Looking at the development of Optimus, what are your expectations for the benefits this robot will bring to daily life? Could Optimus truly replace human labor in industries, or is it just a supportive tool? On the other hand, do you have any doubts about Tesla's ability to make Optimus a practical, safe, easy-to-use product for everyone? Can Tesla overcome the challenges of controlling AI to avoid the potential risks that artificial intelligence could bring, especially when deployed on such a large scale? Hey, thanks so much for checking out the video, and if you found this content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, make sure you hit the like button and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to Tesla Car World and turn on those notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.
In 25 years, there'll be at least 10 billion humanoid robots. Yeah, the price point will be, I think, quite low. Probably $20,000, $25,000 for a robot that can do anything.
Recently, Elon made a groundbreaking announcement about Tesla Optimus, declaring it is going to be the best humanoid robot in the world. Tesla has added some exceptional features that are crucial for integrating Optimus into everyday life that no other robot on the market currently has. Tesla engineers have conducted extensive tests unveiling incredibly impressive capabilities and performance just a short time after its operation. It goes beyond mere cooking or house cleaning tasks. If everything goes according to plan, we can expect at least 1,000 units of the Optimus to enter production next year. So today, we're going to check out the latest updates on Optimus in a very special episode of Tesla Car World. And again, thank you for checking out the channel. How superior is Optimus's navigation? Now, Optimus is more than just a route follower. It's the AI equivalent of a seasoned traveler, expertly maneuvering around roadblocks with the greatest of ease. It's not mere luck. It's all thanks to the technological firepower. Picture LiDAR and HD cameras as Optimus's vision. With LiDAR, an advanced radar that uses lasers instead of radio waves, and a suite of sophisticated cameras, Optimus makes a 3D map of its environment within a 650-foot radius in real time. This means it knows about every chair, table, or stray Lego piece in its way, stepping over or around with total precision. No tripping involved. Optimus has another ace up its sleeve. It's constantly learning. Each new situation makes it better at navigating obstacles, thanks to AI that's tuned to learn from real-world experience. With time, Optimus has grown capable of navigating 95% of complex environments independently. Think of it as an evolving memory card. Every lesson it learns only makes it faster and more agile. Now, imagine a brain so quick it can react in just 20 milliseconds, less time than it takes to blink. This rapid response enables Optimus to handle surprise obstacles, whether it's a sudden change in its route or a stray pet in its path. It's all handled seamlessly without missing a beat. And here's the game changer. Multiple Optimus units can work together as a team, sharing information and learning from each other's experiences. They operate together like synchronized minds in action. Now, imagine a fleet of robots with shared intelligence, amplifying their collective efficiency. Pretty impressive, right? The power behind all this precision? A single robust neural network, Optimus's brain. This is where movement, navigation, and task management come together as one coordinated system. This neural network's lightning fast, processing input in real time, meaning that Optimus can adjust to changes as they happen. It's like a supercomputer handling all your chores at once and in perfect sync. Optimus is equipped with what amounts to a sixth sense, a combination of sensors that monitor its surroundings with an almost human-like awareness. Using cameras, it maps paths, recognizes objects, and avoids obstacles with the greatest of ease. Select versions come with infrared and ultrasonic sensors, adding heightened awareness even in low-light situations. Microphones make Optimus attuned to sound as well. It can respond to voice commands, detect alarms, and even pick up subtle changes in tone. Imagine a robot that senses when you're upset or in need. Optimus is on the case. Motion tracking sensors ensure Optimus stays stable even during quick movements. Think of it like having a personal butler that never stumbles, no matter how fast they need to pivot. Touch sensors allow Optimus to feel contact. Using piezoelectric technology, these sensors can detect pressures from pushes or touches, giving Optimus a sense of gentleness, perfect for handling fragile items. It's as if Optimus has a delicate touch right where you need it. Converting all this data into fluid action requires actuators. Electric actuators, powered by motors, let Optimus perform everything from walking to delicate operations like picking up a fragile item. Imagine a robotic chef who can go from stirring a pot to plating with finesse. That's the level of control we're talking about. And as for needing strength, Optimus uses pneumatic actuators. These compressed air-driven actuators provide power and speed for heavy lifting, ideal for industrial environments. Now, the real magic lies in how these sensors and actuators work together, creating what's called sensory fusion. By processing sensory data in real time, Optimus builds a complete understanding of its surroundings. It's like a fully integrated sensory system: vision, hearing, touch, and balance all in one, allowing Optimus to make the best possible decisions in any scenario. Safety is paramount in Optimus's design. Equipped with algorithms to detect and avoid unsafe conditions, Optimus maintains a secure place for both itself and its human counterparts. If it senses anything hazardous, it knows to keep a safe distance, ensuring smooth and secure interactions. And with its continuously evolving AI, the potential for what Optimus can achieve is virtually limitless. How does Optimus maintain its stability and balance? Optimus is Tesla's most ambitious robot to date. This marvel of engineering is designed to perform in the most challenging and varied environments, balancing the crucial needs for stability, adaptability, and precision. Equipped with advanced balance sensors, Optimus maneuvers effectively over terrains that would destabilize other robots, maintaining not only functional balance but true robustness. Optimus integrates an accelerometer and gyroscope that continuously provide data on its spatial position, ensuring confident movement over complex surfaces. These sensors empower Optimus to navigate even inclined terrain up to a remarkable 15 degrees, the most capable slope navigation in its class, making it uniquely suited to the demands of high-performance industrial environments. This steadfast balance enables Optimus to work effectively across a range of demanding scenarios, including factory floors, logistical operations, even hazardous areas. The robot's design allows it to handle up to 20 kilos without compromising stability, supporting efficient power transfer that equips it for heavy-duty work. Tesla's new high-power drivetrain, robust enough for industrial and logistical tasks, further strengthens Optimus's reliability in complex settings. Designed with a smart cooling system and strategic load distribution, Optimus maintains a performance stability without overheating, ensuring a longer operational lifespan. Tesla shaped Optimus with human dimensions and proportions. Standing at 170 centimeters and weighing around 60 kilos, this human-like form enables Optimus to move smoothly at speeds of up to 8 kilometers an hour and respond to complex verbal instructions, giving it an intuitive presence for human workers. Its ergonomic structure lets it lift up to 10 kilos with outstretched arms, while loads closer to its center allow for even heavier lifting up to 20 kilograms. By following human ergonomic principles, Optimus maintains stability while handling varying weights. The hands of Optimus are as dexterous as a human's, designed to manage small, intricate parts or heavy materials. Likewise, its foot shape draws inspiration from human mobility, with a broad rectangular base that maximizes ground content for stability and traction. Each foot, roughly 25 to 30 centimeters long and 10 to 12 centimeters wide, is crafted with rubberized surfaces that prevent slipping and absorb impact. This natural design empowers Optimus to traverse stairs and step over obstacles, assisted by simulated ankle joints that dynamically adjust as needed. Optimizing Optimus for freedom of movement requires the integration of 40 specialized actuators, including 12 for the arms, 16 for the legs, and several for the torso, neck, and hands. These actuators enable a wide range of actions, from lifting loads to executing precise controlled movements. Built for power, they can lift up to 50 kilos within a 2-inch range, suited for high-strength tasks in tight spaces. Even with such force potential, the actuators operate within a balanced focus system, allowing for complex movements without compromising stability. Optimus transitions smoothly from flat surfaces to more complex terrains thanks to its dexterous range of joint motion and the control provided by its state-of-the-art actuators. This flexibility is essential for navigating industrial spaces where obstacles and unpredictable conditions are routine. Other standout features are its stair-climbing ability. Optimus can handle steps from 30 centimeters, around 12 inches high, meaning it can navigate multi-level environments, from homes to industrial complexes without restriction. This gives Optimus a distinct advantage over robots limited to flat surfaces. It's engineered to conquer real-world dynamic spaces with ease. This power puts Optimus in a league of its own, making it more than a simple assistant. It's a versatile, capable asset even for those most demanding tasks across varied workspaces. Adaptability is another strength. Optimus adjusts its speed intelligently to match the terrain. On flat surfaces, it moves at a quick 0.5 meters a second, but when it detects inclines or uneven paths, it sensibly slows to 0.2 meters a second to maintain balance. This clever adaptation guarantees that operations run safely and smoothly regardless of the surroundings. For real-time interaction, Optimus is equipped with an onboard display and integrates Tesla's autonomous driving technology, neural network planning, and object recognition AI. This combination of hardware and software capabilities empowers Optimus to adapt dynamically to its environment, making it a versatile and invaluable asset across a multitude of applications. Optimus also takes charging to an impressive level, designed with both efficiency and convenience in mind. Equipped with wireless charging technology, it doesn't need cables. Just put it over a charging pad, and Optimus draws up to 15 watts of power. You may have seen the video that Tesla recently shared about the latest update to the capabilities of the humanoid robot Optimus. The highlight of the video is the first look at the humanoid robot's charging system, and that's probably the first time that Tesla's revealed the details of this charging technology. As you can see in the video, Optimus can now locate, navigate, and automatically connect to a wall charger. The accuracy with which it attaches to the charger is extremely perfect and precise. After the charging session is over, Optimus detaches itself from the charger and returns to work as usual. In just an hour, it's fully charged and ready for up to 8 hours of continuous operation. That means a full day's worth of work on a single charge. Remarkable efficiency. But the intelligence doesn't stop there. When the battery's low, Optimus takes care of itself. Without any assistance, it navigates back to its charging station using a rear cam to align itself perfectly for a seamless connection. You don't need to worry about it running out of power. Optimus autonomously manages its own energy, maximizing uptime without any interruptions. In terms of autonomy, Optimus raises the bar, designed to stay operational, independent, and focused on the job at hand. How does it interact with humans? Using advanced voice interface technology backed by a powerful large language model, this bot doesn't just talk back, it understands. Tesla Bot can pick up on natural conversational language, making interactions feel smooth and intuitive. With this technology, communicating with Optimus feels more like chatting with an old friend than issuing commands to a machine. And here's something else really cool. Tesla Bot doesn't just interact with you, it also connects to nearby devices on the edge, providing access to the cloud. This capability lets the bot tap into real-time data or server-based updates as you need them, ensuring it's always in sync with the latest tech and info. Natural communication is the heart of Optimus's design. Thanks to LLM, when you talk to the bot, it doesn't just respond to specific commands, it interprets what you mean. For example, you could ask it to grab that box over there, and it'll know exactly what you're pointing to or referring to. In addition, with the help of large AI models, the bot can even pick up on body language and facial expressions, making interactions even more immersive. Imagine a robot that gets when you're surprised, frustrated, or happy, and adjusts accordingly. AI reasoning takes the Tesla bot beyond basic commands. Optimus can handle more than simple tasks. It can work out complex problems and make informed decisions, giving it the capacity to plan and execute tasks on its own. And as it encounters new experiences, it learns. So the more situations it encounters, the smarter it becomes, adapting to each new scenario with even better accuracy. And here's the really fun part. Through reinforcement learning, Optimus can up its game based on human feedback. So when it tries something new, it learns from trial and error, kind of like us. Over time, the bot learns what you like and becomes more personalized, and it adjusts its behavior to fit whatever it is you like. So whether you're getting it to carry your groceries, help with stuff around the house, or assist in a work environment, Optimus can keep refining its performance and understanding. In essence, Tesla Bot isn't just a machine that follows instructions, it's a learning, reasoning, and responding assistant, bridging the gap between humans and robots with remarkable adaptability. With each interaction, it's growing, learning, and becoming more capable, making it an incredibly unique addition to our tech-savvy world. But how does Optimus overcome the challenges of being a robot? Introducing Tesla's robot to our homes or jobs has big benefits, but comes with some obstacles too. First, Tesla Bot has to run advanced AI that requires quite some computer power. Now, think of that robot doing all the processing by itself. This is edge computing. Alternatively, some of that heavy processing could be offloaded to the cloud with a remote server doing the work. However, the key is maintaining a balance between these varieties to ensure that Tesla Bot doesn't stutter, lag, or cause performance issues. Then there's the issue around communication. To deliver commands and pick up info for the bot, a stable internet's needed. However, home networks aren't always that stable. Think of those times that our Netflix froze while we're watching a true crime series. Tesla Bot is going to go through the same challenges, so if your Wi-Fi drops, it may lose connection and start lagging. Safety, privacy, and ethical questions are also big ones when you're bringing this level of tech into your house. As bots get smarter, the issue of ethics is unavoidable. The privacy of data, the safety and validation of AI, and tackling biases built into the robot's algos are extremely important. Mission number one for developers is testing the heck out of these bots so that by and large they're pre-screened before you roll one into your living room. In 2023 saw Elon and his researchers studying the potential of AirSim for use in factory environments. Their research outlines task bands of Tesla Bot can easily take care of in manufacturing. They first formulated a very rudimentary factory layout employing robots and broke down what kind of tasks the robots would be capable of performing instead of human workers. Their first list also gave them a rough idea of how much money they might need to spend and where, but it was focused on more high-level costs with the ultimate aim of having better control over the factory. The design of Tesla Bot, a humanoid robot with 2 arms, the ability to move and work near humans safely, makes it a natural fit for factory-related activities. Running off of a 40 DOF system, the arms can handle loads of 10 kilos each and have an arm reach of over a meter, all complete with 5-fingered hands that offers some dexterous human-like characteristics, making it ideal for a variety of tasks, particularly in multi-workstation environments. They would have 5 workstations set up, 2 worked by the robot and 3 manned by humans. They uncovered a Tesla Bot capable of doing 70% of the tasks required, which could reduce manual assembly time by an astounding 95%. Thanks to the design of Tesla, we know for sure that they can definitely pull it off. In a nutshell, while there are still some real challenges ahead, including power and connectivity, and let's not forget the ethics, basically you get our drift. This model has a lot of potential as soon as enough people really want, let alone need, an army at home, but where these bots will probably flourish even better is on the factory floors. The key is to find the right level of automation supplemented with human expertise, forming a society in which robots and humans live together. It's an exciting time right now for robotics, and we want to ask you, are you considering one for your house or your workplace? We'd be happy if you left comments about this and hope you experience the utmost relaxation after watching this episode. If you did, hit that like button and join the Tesla Car World community by subbing to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for any fantastic videos coming your way. In less than 3 years, Tesla will launch 4 generations of humanoid robots, with Gen 3 set to arrive in December, wrapping up a year focused on Elon Musk's keyword automation. Oh my goodness. And you should remember that Tesla has never had any experience in this field, yet they've forced major competitors like Boston Dynamics to follow suit. Now, we don't know what word they use to describe their speed, maybe flash, but it's so fast that every day Optimus is getting an update. Elon just made a big announcement that could potentially lead to Tesla renting out robots before officially even selling them. Welcome to Tesla Car World. Okay, so as we know, Tesla offers a rental program for all of their products, and Optimus is no exception. As Elon stated, bots would be offered both as rentals as well as to buy, but the former first. In our opinion, renting Optimus is a wise strategy for Tesla. Customers can experience Tesla's advanced technologies without having to buy it right away, allowing users to test the usefulness and convenience of Optimus in their daily lives before deciding to buy. Also, even if the selling price of Optimus is as Tesla committed at 20 Gs, we believe many people will still hesitate to purchase it because 20 grand is no small amount. Therefore, renting helps relieve customers of a lot of financial stress. Instead of having to spend a large sum to own a robot, customers can rent the robot at a much lower price. This approach makes it accessible to a lot more people, including those of us with limited budgets. This is just one of the few plans announced regarding Tesla's Optimus commercial program. Elon's ambitious vision for Tesla's Optimus robot focuses on creating an affordable, versatile humanoid robot that will ultimately be essential for both industries and households. With a price ranging from 20 to 30 grand, the Optimus robot cost Tesla only $10,000 to make, allowing for massive profits. But to get millions or even billions of customers to buy Optimus, that's the real challenge. In the past, Elon often admitted that he was very concerned about the potential dangers of AI, but it seems that his perspective has changed somewhat recently. According to Elon, the potential for AI to bring positive impacts to humanity is very high, estimated around 80 to 90%, while the risks only account for 10 to 20%. Specifically, Elon participated in a lively, direct dialogue with Dr. Peter Diamandis, a leading futurist and prominent American entrepreneur. The conversation focused on hot topics like the future of technology, space exploration, and the challenges that humanity faces. The dialogue quickly became animated when Dr. Diamandis questioned Elon about his stance on recent warnings regarding the dangers of AI. As we know, Optimus is the product that represents Tesla's biggest AI technology. The brain of Optimus, according to Elon, is a leading brain in AI and no competitor can compare with Tesla. Not only the brain, we bet that you can't find any robot out there that has as beautiful and human-like design as the Optimus. The new design of Gen 3 is going to be a masterpiece by year's end, and we don't know what Tesla will change when Gen 2 is already practically perfect. Elon didn't reveal much when he wrote on X that the new Optimus design, which will be completed later this year, is something special. Basically, we think Optimus has finished upgrading his 22 degrees of freedom hand, a hand that belongs to the Gen 3 version. Optimus's movement speed has also increased in the last couple of months, and Tesla said that they got one final update for Optimus later this year. All in all, there's a lot going on with this robot in the last 2 months of the year, so it's definitely worth looking forward to. During this time, Tesla's also been regularly updating the process of Optimus. The recent demo video has demonstrated that it can climb stairs, marking a significant advancement in mobility. Even more notably, its ability to self-charge and analyze the surrounding environment allows Optimus to navigate a wider variety of terrains. You can see it perform many tasks, such as opening the trunk of a car and getting out luggage, handing items to staff, or carrying a heavy battery tray, all of which showcases the hard work and effort of Tesla's bot team. Elon recently said that he believes that AI capabilities are increasing at a rate of 100 times a year and predicted that even in 4 years, the world can expect AI to be 10,000 times better than it is today. And another crazy claim Elon continues to make is that Optimus will be so numerous that it could be considered a planet of robots. Specifically, Elon said, "I think by 2040, probably there are more humanoid robots than people. Every country will have an AI or multiple AIs, and there will be a lot of robots, way more than people." Oh my goodness. Now, this doesn't seem to be the first time that Tesla's CEO has made bold statements about the population of robots. Previously, Musk also asserted that everyone in the world would want to own an Optimus or even more than one, leading to a potential ratio of robots to humans being equal. Since Optimus has not yet hit the market, it's clear we can't determine the demand for these robots or how many people are going to want to buy one. Elon repeatedly expressed confidence that these robots will soon get commercialized at a very attractive price, only around 20 to 30 grand, when that's half the price of a Tesla EV, stating that at this price, anyone could own a versatile assistant capable of performing various tasks. He is also quite confident that in the not-too-distant future, robots will become an essential part of daily life and could even replace humans in different fields. In the discussion, Elon also notes that he believes AI will be able to do anything that humans can do in the next 1 to 2 years, and by 2028, AI will have the capability to do what all humans combined could do with a total population of 8 billion people. This makes us truly believe that a future where humans live is a paradise-like state that could become a reality. At that point, people wouldn't need to lift a finger as robots and machines will do everything. Humans would only need to eat, enjoy, and relax. In such a future, every elderly person and child could have a personal robot caregiver. When you look at all the tasks that Optimus can currently do, it's clear that it's going to need a few more years to become fully useful. Tesla released the first prototype back in 2022, so it's quite early in their journey toward that goal. Ultimately, Optimus will be able to do a wide range of tasks to support us humans. But when talking about the large number of robots in the world, let's be frank, it's still a story of the distant future. We can't be sure whether Tesla can actually do all that or not. Personally, I'm kind of skeptical due to the fact that many people are still kind of scared, even averted to humanoid robots. Many people still feel shy and worried at the prospect of robots attacking humans, kind of like a Terminator scenario in sci-fi movies. And in the end, not everybody can afford to buy an Optimus, even at a selling price point of 20 grand. So while Elon might be painting an attractive picture, for now, his claim still seems a bit crazy. However, we still believe that the demand for Optimus is going to be massive, especially companies that are going to be ordering it in huge quantities like Amazon, Walmart, and Pepsi. As Elon wrote on X, Tesla will have truly useful humanoid robots in low production for Tesla internal use next year and hopefully high production for outside companies by 2026. He said production will begin in limited quantities next year and will be mass-produced in 2026 for delivery to other companies. The total number of workers across all Tesla factories right now is about 100,000. Replacing just a small portion of these with Optimus could lead to major financial savings. Tesla's Optimus in the future will enable massive cost savings for Tesla and other companies at the factory level. Unlike human workers, a humanoid robot can operate for extended shifts, longer than 8 hours, without needing breaks, vacations, or sick leave. It doesn't need health insurance, retirement plans like a 401k or lunch breaks, and they don't experience fatigue. While occasional maintenance will be necessary, it's not a significant concern compared to the myriad of expenses associated with human labor. The truth is that deploying Tesla's Optimus robot on production lines not only brings benefits in cost and efficiency, but could also intensify competition among companies across various industries, all seeking to cut labor costs. As Optimus gains the ability to perform complex tasks with high precision and durability, companies are going to recognize the potential to reduce their reliance on human labor, which currently represents a pretty big portion of total operational expenses. Once pioneering businesses that adopt Optimus get a competitive cost advantage, other companies aren't going to want to get left behind, and this could lead to a race to deploy automated robots like Optimus to ensure they can compete in terms of pricing and production efficiency. Companies that fail to keep up with this trend risk falling behind, as competitors may be able to offer products at lower costs with faster turnaround times. That's precisely Tesla's strategy. Similar to prioritizing deliveries of semi-trucks for big companies, the cost-saving benefits of these trucks are going to drive demand, making every company want to buy one. Returning to the Optimus, many reports indicate that the Optimus robot was human-assisted during the company's We Robot event last month. A bunch of videos from attendees show that the Optimus robot still required guidance intervention from Tesla's human staff standing around it. This has led most people to believe that the robots are not yet fully autonomous. Elon Kovacs shared, while of course they were human-assisted to some extent to help showcase our vision of an amazing future, they walked, bounced, and danced on their own for about 4 hours straight with only one fall. After this controversy, many believe that if Tesla sells Optimus to customers, the users will have to train the robots themselves or intervene too frequently in their tasks. And if that's the case, they'd never buy an Optimus. Instead, they'd go to the Chinese robots, which are cheaper and likely more reliable. We don't think so, though. Even in the fiercely competitive Chinese electric vehicle market, Teslas still remain the best sellers despite their prices being double that of their Chinese counterparts. We believe that if Optimus enters the Chinese market in the coming years, it's still going to dominate. This has led us to carefully consider Optimus Gen 2 and its cheaper competitor, the Unitree G1, a Chinese robot priced at $16,000, said to have a fairly stable set of specs. First of all, let's start with the design. As we've emphasized several times, up to this point, very few robots can match Optimus in terms of refinement and sophistication. Just think about it. How many other robots out there have emerged that look completely out of place next to Optimus? Some argue the design isn't a big deal, but we bet you wouldn't want to buy a robot that scares the kiddies and makes them scream as soon as you bring it home, right? However, it can't be denied that Unitree's G1 has undergone a big transformation compared to the earlier H1 version. Standing at 4'2", the G1 is now compact, friendly, and accessible, more so than the H1. The downsizing of its dimensions seemed to serve the purpose of simplifying the G1's design. At the very least, the Chinese manufacturers removed some of the less overwhelming black color, making the Unitree G1 more appealing and less intimidating. A shorter size, combined with the design primarily made of aluminum, allows the G1 to hit a weight of about 77 pounds, light enough for agility, yet sturdy enough for tasks. Like Optimus, the Unitree G1 also has lights on its face. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Optimus, standing at 5'8", offers a clear advantage in environments that require reaching high, such as factories and warehouses, where it can easily do things at height without the need for additional tools. The standard size allows Optimus to adapt smoothly to different tasks. Meanwhile, the compact design of the G1 is a significant advantage when working in tight spaces where flexibility is top priority. With its snug dimensions, the G1 is the ideal choice for small offices or complex areas that require dexterity and agility. Both robots are equipped with advanced sensor systems, but each takes a unique and distinctive approach. Optimus integrates a network of sensors based on neural technology and multiple 2D cameras, all seamlessly connected to Tesla's FSD software, not only allowing Optimus to see further, but to automatically analyze and map surroundings, accurately identify objects, and provide detailed info about them. In contrast, Unitree's G1 uses 3D LiDAR technology combined with Intel's RealSense cameras, providing superior depth perception. Not only is the design impressive, but Optimus's hands also showcases Tesla's superior technology. Analysts claim that's the best robot hands in the market. Musk has confirmed that the hands of Optimus account for half of the engineering effort from the team, and as a result, the hands of Tesla's bot only have a very short distance to cover compared to human hands, offering 22 degrees of freedom compared to 27 found in humans. Meanwhile, we bet you won't be too fond of Unitree G1's hands. With a 3-finger design instead of 5 fingers like Optimus, they appear a lot more primitive. The degrees of freedom for G1s have not yet been disclosed, but we estimate it to be quite limited, about 5 to 6 degrees of freedom, given that the total degrees of freedom for the entire body is confirmed to be 23. Tesla has showcased many impressive tasks that Optimus can do, both in demo videos and in the real world. In contrast, Unitree's not demoed its robot's capabilities in real-world scenarios, but in its introductory video, the G1 robot performs a few noteworthy actions like cracking open a walnut, opening a water bottle, and securely holding a frying pan. Right now, Optimus has a movement speed of about 2 miles an hour, but Tesla wants to up it to 5. Meanwhile, Unitree's G1 is faster, around 4.5 miles an hour, allowing it to handle tasks quickly and respond well in high-demand situations, and that can be seen as a plus. The fact is that Optimus' speed is still kind of slow and is often compared to Joe Biden in terms of comments about its mobility. While we can't deny that, Tesla's focused on improving this capability, as evidenced by Optimus moving significantly faster than it did last year. Right now, not only against Unitree G1, but also against many other competitors, Optimus has significant advantages in operational time with its 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery, allowing it to run for over 8 hours on one charge and featuring rapid charging capabilities due to its ability to self-charge. In contrast, the G1 has a shorter usage time of 2 hours, requiring multiple charges throughout the day for frequent use. The reality is that Tesla's got the battery advantage since they already make the electric vehicles, meaning that they not only have a big supply but also utilize advanced battery technology. The Tesla bot is confirmed to use 4680 batteries. Both Tesla and Unitree have achieved remarkable pricing in a market where humanoid robots typically go from $70,000 to $300,000. However, Elon has confirmed that the price of the Tesla bot will only be between $20,000 and $30,000 thanks to in-house battery and motor production, as well as leveraging the advantages of their 5 existing gigafactories. Meanwhile, Unitree G1 starts at an attractive price point of $16,000, achieved by reducing material costs and using simpler motors while maintaining high-performance standards. Clearly, customers are always going to want the affordable robots, and Tesla has repeatedly made promises regarding price. Since both these robots have not yet been commercialized, we ultimately can't determine their official prices. But a common conclusion for both of these bots is that they represent significant advancements in affordability, production scale, and user accessibility, indicating that humanoid robots are getting closer to practical everyday applications in both industrial and household settings, something that many other robotic companies have yet to achieve. Now, do you want to buy an Optimus to do your household chores? How do you think Tesla Optimus will impact the labor in factories in the future? Will it truly be ordered by other companies out there? Thank you for watching this video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs and Optimus robots, make sure you hit the like button and share this video. And also, make sure to subscribe to Tesla Car World and turn on those notifications so you never miss out. We look forward to seeing you here next time. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and God bless you. Goodbye.